Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel RoboKiller on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are in, at the top of your screen, tap your name. This opens your Apple ID settings. Now tap on Subscriptions. You will see a list of all apps you are subscribed to. Look for RoboKiller in the list and tap on it. Once RoboKiller opens, tap Cancel Subscription. A message will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Confirm or Cancel Subscription again, and that's it. RoboKiller is now cancelled. Even after cancelling, RoboKiller will stay active until the end of your billing period. You will not be charged again after that. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled RoboKiller on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.